welcome back on Sunday Night Show. We did discuss running two program for inside your relationship or your marriage. In bracket, liking two people. Our phone numbers go there open. Our phone lines rather go there open now. Our phone numbers go there on top of TV, make you begin the call. Pastor, you be stopped for part of Suya.
Yes, whether they buy Suya for person.
You can't talk about car.
Yes. So, another example where they did very rampant. Now, when maybe your friend, for the ladies now, your friend come visit you with one small, with one small machine, so enter house, follow you sit down, you just did look and say, my sister.
You are blessed, you don't know it.
I just wish, I just wish my husband would just learn all these things and say your husband just buy your car. And he didn't even say anything about it. You just carry the key, keep, go.
Then
and
she
will just look you. Say, my sister, we thank God. At least we have car. Some have car and don't have happiness. And waiting they happen there. Now, when people don't even appreciate waiting they get, now then your eyes will be good because they assume say na car be love. And we don't talk to this for one day we go teach things where no be love. Because I buy you ice cream, no means I love you. Because we go watch film, we there for back, last row for up. And we hold hand, they watch the movie. When you want tire, you put it on your eyes. It no means I love you. All that Phoebe program where they run. See, there are some activities that mean love, but love doesn't necessarily mean those activities. So if I come visit you for house, park outside your gate, wait for you to come back from work, we talk for car. If I love you, I go do am. But I feel do am, but no love you.
Now, wow, carry your pen and paper. Hey, carry your pencil, your sharpener, and your eraser.
The example where you give now, waiting, I always hear, waiting, that always happen. Person don't tell me one thing close to that before. See, not my, see my neighbor, the next house, the wife has a drive white car. He not take, they change them to red. My husband, he not even buy me bicycle. He not even think car. But you don't know what
you
don't know what thing happen for the person house.
Yes.
When make them buy that car.
Yes, waiting make them buy car. You see, if he be say the man buy car true, but if he be say na peace offering, you don't even know the one where he don't do, where the matter don't foul, don't expose. So he say, make I just cover my shame, buy offering, can't give the oracle.
And the woman where they buy the car for, not go tell you the cocoa where they for the matter.
Why you go to tell you?
She not go tell you what's in there.
So when those things happen for your mind, you go begin say, I wish my husband be like you. See, when you begin talk those kind of things with your mouth, you don't already, for your mind there, you don't look for opportunities to double dip. Somebody else when no get money like your wife, your friend, husband, go even just come, just begin laugh. Buy shawarma. You know, some people don't take drink or make you go back, go chop. Put their marriages for trouble.
Yes.
Say, you know, they go out now, but this guy is a very nice guy, they go out. Wait till you think say be going out. Wait till be, most people don't talk, wait till be hanging out. Wait till be going out. You don't know, say your husband will be like that when you marry him. If you don't go out, why you not create outing? Then involve him. I don't hear women say, why now me go initiate enjoyment for family? Since he marry me, he don't deal redundant. So if they find person when no marry you, now they find. Think about. Since he marry you, you know they try again. So if they find person when no marry you.
Then they go say no now.
No.
Say no be so.
No. It's just, I just want play, I want laugh, I just want, my husband, I love him a lot, I respect him. But you know they try. I find man where they try. You know, when you say those things, whether you they joke or not, you don't prepare your mind for crazy things. And once you get into that cycle, you go burn yourself. Now there envy go start. This is where they do talk about Spaka. So we don't explain envy before. Yes. Envy and jealousy, they're very different.
Yes.
Envy now when, jealousy now when you just like the thing where the person gets and you depressed, you go get your own. Envy, now when you want what the person gets. So if you say, they envy you, this your husband, what do they talk?
We just say talk, but people don't know this thing.
What do they talk? We say, I want your husband.
From Mexico, good evening. Hello?
Oh, I want your wife.
My brother.
Hello, Roslyn. Hello? Call us back. Thank you. Pastor, continue.
Yeah, so now so it starts. You know, and I don't know whether that's westernization. People now, they just instantly respond to the way they feel. Sometimes, now that in every king, there's a kid. You know, in every queen, there's a princess. So, as you don't grow finish, boys and men no different. Oh. Their toys now just change. Toy car, Rika. toy house, house. Now age, baby don't day before. That's all. A full-grown man. Now the same person.
Then what are your toys?
Now the same person. So sometimes your boy go on sabotage your king. You don't ready. You know, say you be civil. You know, one small yellowish
something.
Minion will just come and hang around. you know, say you be king, but your boy go just shift your king small. Come out. Come begin say things so it no make sense. You know,
Who did that? Nkechi, good evening. Hello, Nkechi. Sorry, call us back. I beg, don't vex. Thank you.
Now then your kid go come shift your. And now when you buy market, now the kid go run. Can't leave the king.
To come settle the point.
So that the king go come day. Now why you can't see man come day like this? Say how I work at this worker. This girl don't carry belly. Which kind of rubbish with this? Now the best way they do, no be the king go. Now the kid.
That the kid in the king.
Do.
Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening, my brother. Sir? I do come up as I'm capacit. We thank God. I want him chief, no. Chief in my house. Now, Ben. Ask the question where you want to ask my brother in the Lord. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. One good night. Eh? Is it making me get money enough for you, Pagra?
Chimezi cause so tangaro equal to me tongue to don't get a so you don't come for me. Make it some answer from here to one map as in Nama. I'm telling you.
Okay.
No problem. Before the show finish, we will give you. Thank you very much. In a minute. Hello, Stephen from Jos. Okay, Stephen, call us back when you're ready to talk. Over to you, Pastor.
Hey, what's with the talk now? King and kid.
King and kid.
So, you know when picking this small, if you give picking biscuits and hold packet, picking go take biscuits, can't ask for anything for packet. Now so when kid show up for king head, he knows everything he gets they real.
Yes.
He knows everything he gets they respectable. But sometimes when someone go to touch, you go just look. You go just look outside. You go just say, hey, hello, come nearer, let us say hello. The same thing with queen and princess.
So now be say some people, some men, now be say the kid don't take over their bodies. Now kid they rule, not be king.
Now you see, some people don't grow up in age, but they don't grow up in experience. So those things where see they excite them when they're 17, still they excite them when they're 47. So they never understand, say, they get some things where even though the feelings there, you go grow past them. Even when those feelings there, you know me see, to assume, say, because person they faithful for a marriage, it means saying they see anything for outside. Now false assumption, because you are designed as a human being to woman was designed to appeal to man. So when man see woman, and when woman see man, you know say goats. I don't know whether I can talk this one now.
But before you talk, I'm going to take this call from Delta. Good evening.
Hello, good evening, Edu.
Sandra.
Fana.
Now, man, you be a big woman.
Now, woman, that's it. Good evening,
Good evening, Anna.
Are they calling her from Austria before?
You don't come back.
I'm in Nigeria now.
Welcome back from Austria.
Thank you. How's that day?
We did fine. Sandra, which question you want to ask today?
We want to find something. Something.
Okay.
Pastor,
Yes, ma.
I dey hear you dey talk about jealousy. Oh.
Okay, yes.
Me, I be woman too. I be very jealous woman. Oh.
Okay.
You know, so, you know, easy for man. You understand me? Go to go out with a woman. The man go to flirt around. I dey jealous well for that thing. I know they feel they bear am. So I want ask how person feel they go feel bear such thing.
Okay. Okay, just listen. Now hang up, listen. Make we dey talk.
Yeah.
All right.
No
All right. If you know, say, then extracurricular activity where man they do. It means say one of the easiest ways to deal with them now to just focus on the things where they make you happy. You know, choose to love the object of your offense. Make I explain. One of the easiest ways to deal with offense for your life, now to rise above that thing where they offend you and choose to reach out to the thing where they offend you. So that the thing where the cause are making they offend you, no go get that kind of power again over you.
In other words, face your pain.
Yes, for instance, no give people power to make you unhappy. No be you, and anything where you go do, go make me no sleep for night. I go lock that door, I go sleep. When you come, I go open door, I go boil water for you. I go show you say I respect you and I love you. The day where you go click, two things go happen. Either you repent or you turn real werewolf. Where waiting decision where you can't take, everybody go know something where you supposed to do when that time reach. So you no go be saying now you will live or now you respect yourself. Now this jealousy they talk about, if it just be in colleagues or you get female friends, if that not the case where you talk about Sandra, then the easiest way to deal with them, not to just make conversation on those matters. Do the internalize things. We don't talk about communication. When you see one very yellow one, we just fall and die around, laugh. When he enter, like, say, I don't tell me about your colleague for work now. Make him talk, say, a colleague for work, or na person where they try him. Then you go say, I trust you, Sha.
Instead of to keep things
yes,
inside.
if they keep him inside, now there one day for nothing.
While I go there.
One day,
Your boss.
yes, one day you go say hello there. Inside talk him. You see all this dear way, I don't they look you. Now 1997 when you first start the first one, you did beside the blue fridge for
Hello.
kitchen.
And the man don't go know where you waiting there.
Hello, good evening. Double twin.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening, my brother.
I greet you here before I forget.
So good, we greet you too, my brother. Which question you get to ask?
Nedu,
Sir?
please, this is why I call.
Yes.
I want to know your instances that name. That be my boyfriend now. Before I talk to you.
Sorry, I beg, ask the question where you want to ask.
Hello.
Double twins, because ask the question where you want to ask before you hear my chieftain's title. Okay, you want to hear them? I can't put on one in my house. From Calabar, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How is you, my brother? Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, Frank, good evening. Ask your question.
Ogami, good evening.
You.
Frank, good evening. Continue with your question.
I want I get issue where they stop me. I want to ask Pastor Iheanyi.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
I don't date some few numbers of girls, and I don't use these words. I don't play for Arsenal. I don't play for Chelsea, and so on and so forth.
Okay,
I want
okay.
to settle down with one of my dates like that now, and she did with me for house, and we don't date like 3 months. Now I don't lose interest totally on the girl, and I don't know how to go about. I mean, it's not as if maybe she's not beautiful. She's a girl that when I move with her on the road, every woman want to cherish. But now, and then we would even sleep for her. The thing they move me like say.
Okay, so this is a classic case.
So
Okay,
I don't really know what to do.
okay, just listen. Hang up and listen.
Okay.
You see, this is a classic case of what you would talk now.
Exactly.
You don't do. So the excitement
Don't
in the
play for
process,
Liverpool, Tottenham,
no day again.
Alfredo.
So to even settle, now your attention span don't drop to 90 days, 3 months. Marriage now for life. Now you don't date 3 months. If you leave this one go again, you go drop again.
You will still drop.
You go turn to 2 months and 2 weeks. Till you go just be
3 days.
per week billing. And you don't do UEFA reach, you don't do UEFA, all the clubs now reach 90 days. 90 days now be your threshold. One of the easiest ways to deal with this thing now to open your mouth define your relationships with this young lady and make commitment towards working at it. This one when I don't they live for house together. For your mind, don't they believe saying I don't marry. But if they do be say, you for don't help them explain, say you want respect them, you want love them, make it go house. You go they try come visit them, now go they date, now go they give yourself the activity, get back into the process of the activity, you know, of going to visit her, going to don't they camp and for house, you know, some of these things that they cause sometimes when it be like my uncle tell me say it be like sweet. Tom, if you open them, not until you open them before you go know the size of. Sometimes now half the day inside. Sometimes now, but now until you open them. But if you don't open them before that day, when you nothing that excites you already, and because of you are sexually active multiple times before now, your expectation of the concept don't drop to zero. So we go need to reorientate you. But I want to say if you do now, not even leave this one because this one go frustrate you. It don't even frustrate you. Leave them and then come focus on building your life again.
No follow me, no follow anybody now.
Now you know me say you know they do well for work. You know me say you do well for your business or waiting. But now for your relationship and your emotions, you will be serious walking catastrophe. Me say you know if you deal with person reach 6 months. Problem don't dey. So my brother, they do go give you the email address after. Send the mail, then we go begin talk because that's serious matter.
Frank, make sure say you send your email.
Anything you want to talk for that one?
So you get person, people don't deadline since they wait to just they hang them. Good evening, who they on the line? Hello?
Hello.
Emeka, good evening.
Good evening, Endo. How are you there?
I did fine. Which question you get to ask quick before I come up the studio?
I don't get to ask any question. I just enter into house. I see the program they go on.
Yeah.
So I just want to contribute based on what in the pastor they talk.
Okay.
Yeah, because they tell people most of the time, some women especially, on my own women part, they always say them.
Okay.
Some women like two things what they want, but they don't understand what thing they want. What I mean two things, like the question says two men, comparison. Yes. One, the Bible hates comparison.
Yeah, precisely.
You don't compare people.
Yeah.
Now, you go see woman where say like, God-fearing man where they like this, man where they like this. But for his spirit,
now another thing when
you go say, you say, nah, this man, if I don't shout, people for don't they run, they scatter, they do all those things.
Yeah.
Now, but I say, which one you choose before? You choose somebody where God fearing, where get all these qualities. Now you can compare them. And one thing I tell people, Father Vincent will say, just like waiting the pastor they talk, when you see people for their Jeep, see people for their car and everything, you go say, I wish now me get this car. Go and look them. Whether they live a good family life or a scattered family life. I don't there for along Alaba Road, see a man just drive, just park a vehicle. Now Jeep they do, just come down, open the other door, give me one slap. I don't know argument whether they argue for motor. Slap and warm. As you want them the slap. Everybody surprised. They close the door again. Enter vehicle. Now you zoom off. People just they wonder what thing that happen. Now they tell some guys, not they compare people, not they look people. And it make so many girls not married.
All right. Thank you, Emeka. Emeka, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Anyway, double toilet to everybody we don't call for the show. You see, I tell you say time not day. You go say that I don't know what they talk. Time don't finish. Who do they pack? Come out now. Now, those of you when they be say tweet messages plenty, calls. Sorry, so we'll not fit take all the calls. Now, if you want to send email, this guy we call now from Calabar, Frank. To take as a, you need to talk to Pastor Iheanyi. You could talk well. So
in details,
make the rebuild because your crankshaft, everything don't blow.
Everything
don't
total
blow.
overhaul.
Total overhaul. I will put your engine now. Wash them well. Now send email to at Iheanyi. Ejiogu Iheanyi at yahoo.com. Ejiogu Iheanyi at yahoo.com.
EJIOGU.
Iheanyi.com or make his blog for Twitter at Iheanyi1.com or the number, phone number where you say you will send text message to from on Monday next week 0817-232-7000 0817-232-7000. Until that time, we'll double toilet to Pastor Iheanyi, aka the owner of Friday, aka Pastor, aka Kandu, aka Gbogbo Tigbo.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.